Welcome to Top 10 Amazing. And today, we are coming to Top 20 Excellent YouTube Video Ideas for 2022. Help you making money on YouTube. Easy to use 1 to 9 number keyboard to flip through our list. Let's start. Number 1. List video. The topic of making this YouTube video is similar to the top and best ranking, but you can expand it in the way of giving information to readers. Should see, should know, interesting, funny. Number 2. General news. News is a very broad topic and has a huge search volume in the world. You can choose this topic to make YouTube videos. The content you can synthesize from major online newspapers. Cut, edit, and dub music as you like. Number 3. Review of technology, digital equipment. The power of video reviews, product reviews in general, and tech gadgets is huge today. It helps consumers learn about the product in advance, advantages and disadvantages, features before making a purchase decision. Technology products are very diverse and you can choose which products you are using or have strengths. Review phones, cameras, laptops, tablets, computer. Number 4. Product unboxing. Unboxing. New product unboxing video is a great idea to make money on YouTube. It's relatively easy to do, and people love to watch it. You record a video with a new item, a new product you just bought, and unboxing it, with comments, discussions, actions that stimulate curiosity and interest from viewers. Sometimes just inserting background music also okay. Number 5. Video tutorial. How-to tutorial video always attract a large number of searches from users. Lots of stuff like this: guide tips in life, Photoshop tutorials, computer tips, recording guide, weight loss guide, musical instrument instruction, makeup tutorials, how to learn English, learn Japanese, how to draw pictures. Number 6. Gaming, streaming. Streaming YouTube or streamer is a profession that earns a mountain of money and is quite developed in recent years. That is, if you are a game connoisseur or good at games, you can play games and stream directly to viewers through YouTube Gaming's streaming platform or other platforms. Like football commentators, streamers will comment on games and video games they play or watch, giving instructions on how to play the game. Number 7. Makeup and beauty video. The trend of beauty vloggers, people who share their beauty routines, beauty trends, and beauty tutorials through YouTube will still be a money-making trend in 2020. Your job will be filming self-makeup videos, tutorials on makeup methods, beauty trends, makeup styles like celebrities, etc. Evaluate and try cosmetics and beauty tools, skin, hair, tissue, nails. Number 8. Reaction video. A reaction video is a video where you record your reaction when you watch another video, work, music, movie, phenomenon, service, or simply something. In the video, you need to approach the work and experience, thereby expressing your feelings, with comments to express how you feel about the work. Number 9 and 10. Prank and troll. Challenges. Here is a list of 10 more ideas. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.